Let's see how to build chatbot templates to handle the service delivery and also save tons of time when it comes to offering your services. So let's get started over here. In this video, I will explain how to create chatbot templates, install to new accounts or clients accounts, and also push updates to those templates automatically, and also protect those kind of templates from copying or editing. So let's say if you are working with only real estate agents, or if your niche is real estate agents, then you might be able to copy those kind of chatbots in different kind of clients account using chatbot templates. Let me show how this actually works. So here we are in the flow builder over here. So for this demo, we actually have three different kind of flows. So it is actually named as Achatic Media Welcome, Achatic Media DIY, Achatic Media Hire Us. So let's see what we have in the welcome flow over here. So let me open that one. So the first message is, hello, are you interested in growing your business with Chatic Media's conversational growth solution? If someone say yes, tell me more. It simply send this kind of messages. Thanks for your interest. Would you like to hire our team to build chat automations to accelerate your business growth? If they say yes, please, it actually send another flow. I will show it actually open Chatic Media Hire Us flow, and if they say no, do it myself, it open the do it yourself flow as well. So if they say yes, please, it opened this hire us flow. So let me show how this hire us flow looks like. So it's simply just a simple block. It says book a free strategies call with one of our conversational marketing experts today and provide the link to book a call. Suppose if they choose do it yourself, it simply open the do it yourself flow as well. So let me show that. So basically build powerful omni-channel AI chatbots using this particular kind of product. So here if they click on this particular learn more link, it will take them directly to this particular website address where we actually explain all the details about our platform. So that is just a quick overview of our flows we have over here. So now let's say if you want to copy this whole flow to a different account. So let me show that over here. So here we have this account test ltd, and if I go to the flows over here, there is no any kind of flows, only the all free templates. So this is actually installed to all the clients accounts. So that is by default it will be installed to all accounts, but we don't have any kind of other flows over here. So it says no data available. So here if we want to move all these flows, so as I mentioned, we have these three flows over here. So let me show that these three flows, and the account name is Chatic Media. From Chatic Media, if we want to move those flows in this particular test ltd account, we can actually do that as well. So let me explain how to do that. So if you want to move just one flow, you don't need to create those kind of templates. What you can do is you can simply click on this button over here and click on copy to another account. So that will provide you an option to move those flows directly to that particular test ltd account. But the unfortunate thing is that you actually need to do this one by one. Here we have actually three flows, and when you make updates in this original flows, that means Chatic Media, then you might those kind of updates will not be updated in this test ltd account. So that's also another issue as well. So let me show how to create a template and make things easier. So to create templates, you have to go to tools over here. So click on tools, and here scroll down to templates over here. Click on templates, and here you can actually create a new template. So let me put the template name as test over here and click continue. So the template name I put as test. So here we can actually select the flows we want to assign over here. So here template name is test. You can add any image if you want, and here in the flows you can test those flows. So as I mentioned, we want to move these three flows into this account over here. So for that I have to select these three flows over here. So let me simply select these three flows as well. So I have selected these three flows. So let's say you are installing these three flows into your client's account and you don't want them to click or view or edit flows. You actually provide them as a productized chatbot flows. So basically you can actually have the control not to allow them to edit or view as well. So if I untick these options, these flows will be installed into this test ltd account, but the clients cannot edit or view those kind of flows as well. So let me do that first and see how this actually works. And also here you can even export automated responses, triggers, actions, those kind of things as well. But for this demo, I'm going to show how to export only these 3 flows. And here you can actually permission on install templates. What are the permissions you need? You can actually auto update install templates. If you select this option over here, and every time when you update your existing template in the main account, which is static media, that particular templates or flows associated with all these 3 flows, here I'm selecting only these 3 flows, will be updated in the test ltd account automatically as well. So let me show that as well. So let me, after that, we also have this kind of option. So you can also allow this option, permission to delete installed templates. So what happens is that if you enable this option, you can automatically delete the installed templates in the test ltd account without even have access to that account, which is a good feature as well. So let's say you are charging on a monthly basis for your clients, and if they fail to pay 1 month of payment, you can actually, or if they look to cancel your service, then you can actually simply delete those kind of templates without even having access to your client's account as well. And here you can actually name the publisher name, add a description to your template, and even add a YouTube video ID, and also you can add a test link as well. So those are actually optional things. So let me create the templates over here. So I have just created the template over here, and it actually tracks the number of installed, so number of accounts which this particular template is already installed. So to install this particular template into this particular account, you have to get a link over here. Click on get link. I have get the link over here. What you can do is you can simply copy paste this link over here, paste it, and it will take you to the template store, the exact template link over here. And you can simply click on install over here. And when you click on install, it actually asks you to which account you want to install. So you want to install in the Chatic Media or Test Ltd. So Chatic Media is the place where we actually have these original flows over here, and now we want to install this in the Test Ltd account. So to show you Test Ltd account in the flows, we actually have only these options over here. So here I'm going to install this test template into this test ltd account. So let me click on install over here, and it should be installed now. So whatever we had on the Chatic Media flows, these 3 flows will be installed in the Chatic test ltd account, and in this flow, in this folder, we can access all these for as well. As you see, we can actually access all these flows over here. But the thing is, when we created the templates over here, if you remember, we actually untick the option to edit or view the flows. So that's why if we cannot actually view those kind of flows, they are installed, and we can even test these flows as well. So if I click on preview in webchat, it actually works, but we cannot actually view or edit the flow builder look. We can simply test only. So as you see, it actually works. Just tell me more, and it simply goes to the next step, those kind of things. But we cannot actually view those kind of flows or make any kind of edits. So to enable edits, what you can do here is that here in the templates itself, here if you go to flows over here, if you click on view edit option, so at the moment we cannot click or edit those kind of things. Here if I click on view edit and click save, here we also enabled an option to auto update the installed template. So every changes we make here will get automatically updated in this account as well. So let me save it. So let me refresh this page. Now we should be able to check those templates, view and edit as well. So now it actually provide me an option to click and check the few flows and also make any kind of edits, because I actually enabled the edit option or view option in the flows over here. And another thing is that whatever you make whenever actually you make changes in the original flows and make updates to those kind of flows, those updates will be automatically transferred to this particular place we actually installed that particular template. So let me show how this actually works. So here we are actually in the Chatic Media account, and here we are in the welcome message flow over here. So let's say in the welcome message flow, I'm going to add a GIF as well. So click on GIF over here. Let me add a welcome GIF as well. So let me add this GIF over here, move this above. So we have actually made one change to our template over here. So if you want to display this kind of change on all the accounts where you have installed this particular template, we can do that. For that, you have to first of all publish the change you have made in the original account, and here after that go to tools, click on templates over here, and here go to test over here, and here what you do is you have to make sure the same flows are selected and simply click on save, and it will go automatically get updated in the accounts where you actually installed the free template. So let me refresh this over here before we update it. So welcome. So if I open the welcome over here, we don't have that welcome GIF over here. So this actually in the static media account. So let me show that as well. So if I open this flows, it's static media account, and we have this GIF. And this one, it's actually in the test account, test ltd account. So let me update this template, and what happens? So I have updated the template. If I refresh this particular page in the test ltd account, that GIF will be automatically updated. So that's how you actually push any updates to your template automatically. So that is how you actually build templates in the smart way. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.